we're moving in the right direction. The B period opened up, and we just have traded under the A period by just a tick or two. So we need to continue breaking down here. There's my mouse here. I think this is in the. If you can see this, you can see where the G and M period low is, 66.50. That's we could consolidate there for a little bit. This is interesting. This high volume cluster. This is the area right between the 63 and 64 area that we had volume that took us up to the H period high yesterday. So that could be support there. And of course, we have a lot of volume built here in the upper end of value yesterday. That could also be an area where the market wants to gravitate to and retest the upper end of value. Right now we're inside, even though it's off the screen. Let's see if I can get it in the screen. So you can see the value area is inside yesterday's value area with Globex high way up there, of course, below. So we'll just let the market do its thing and see if we can get down a little lower. Stops at 76. And pause the video and take a break. The NYSE tick chart also has been oscillating from the open. We had negative, then a couple minutes later, 20 minutes later, we had positive, and then we had two bars that traded above the second standard deviation, up around 900, and that was right before the breakdown from the 70-71 area to the 67 area here. So that could signal less buying interest. The volume's been pretty moderate. Same equal buying, equal selling, bouncing around between the the A period low and A period high, the 67 area and the 73 area. So we'll just stand by here and see if the selling pressure continues. Well, we just bounced off the 65.50. We didn't get excuse me. We didn't get down to that 64 area. That came out of nowhere. That was really not even a hardly retest. C period just opened up. $64.75 was the low tick. 64.50, 132 contracts traded there. I missed that one. Well, we have a negative 13,000 delta, and we have high volume. 203,000 on A period, negative 2,700 delta, 192,000 on the B period, negative 10,000 delta, and this one's 8,000 with a neutral bias. So, and of course the little rally up to the 68 area, we just bounced off the second standard deviation on the tick chart. So we'll just stand by here and see if we can get a little lower. See if the market wants to retest this 65 area. It's working down here now. You can see him hit the bid here. See the volume up there, 4,200, 2,300, 8,200 at the 68.50 area. That was enough passive trade to absorb the buying that the sellers took control here for a point or two. Now let's see if we can get below the 65 area. This is the area of interest, 64, 60, 64, 63 and a half, 64 and a half. 65. 20,000 contracts traded here, 3,200 positive bias. Some of that was passive. And we just died down here. We don't have any continuation. That's not the best sign you can see. We're building higher lows. We need continuation to break through 65. We'll pause the video and let this work. We see some activity down here. We got underneath the B period. We got under 64.75, 64.50. We see 2,754 contracts trading there. That's right where that excuse me. That's right where this high volume cluster is. 3,100, 1,100, 1,200. We still have 19,000 negative delta, but you can see them absorbing. That could be a warning sign. The NYSE tick chart, we made a lower low, but the chart didn't make a lower low. It got pretty low though, 650, but it didn't make a lower low compared to the previous low. Just got I'm a little concerned about that. We're gonna get out of this trade. We're gonna take the 65 take the 65 and a quarters out at 65 and a quarter. Now the question is, if that holds, if that holds, let's go look. What if it bounces off that volume cluster? We're right at the low end of value. This market could want to test the other end of value. The NYSE tick chart just closed that bar, and it closed above the zero line. We're going to buy the 67s. Long 67 and 67 and a quarter. 67 and a quarter. And our destination on this trade is the other end of value, which is up in the low to mid 70s. It's not a huge run, but we'll see if we can get back up toward the B period high. See what the market's doing then. And our stop, we'll put our stop below the C period low. Let's go with 63. Let's go with 63. Okay, we'll pause the video. Running out of time here. We're moving in the right direction. NYSE tick chart is building higher low. The last bar. It looks like it wants to trade a little higher. The sloping line is starting to move upward also. The moving average of that regression channel. We'll close the video. I put this chart, you can see only about 30 seconds left. That's the volume cluster that we bounced off of. The only other big volume cluster we have is up here at 73.50, so that's a reasonable target. So we'll target somewhere around the 73s. The D period just opened up. Well, it looks like this market wants to go higher. Boy, the D period made a double top at the B period. We're right at 72 here. And this is tempting. Well, this was the area that might have been resistance. We're gonna take the 71.75s out, 71.75. And we'll just wait for another opportunity.